Hey everyone, welcome to my channel guys, and in this video, I'm extremely excited to watch this video, actually also to listen to the song because this is the first song drop from Pushpa 2. The song is called Pushpa Pushpa. So the song has released in various languages. I'm going to be reacting and watching in the Telugu version only. So yeah, let's not delay this any further. I'm very excited to listen to the song, and it's a lyrical video, but I'm hoping that we will have some hook step or some behind the scenes video from the entire song. So yeah, let us watch right away.
Pushpa, 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 Pushpa,
Okay.
Pushpa, 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 Pushpa.
Oh, that's the beat. I like this beat. Pushparaj, yes.
సవరిస్తుంటే దేశం దద్దరిల్లే భుజమే ఎత్తి నడిచొస్తుంటే భూమి బద్దలయ్యే
I forgot to see who sang the song.
నిలవాలంటే ఆకాశం ఎత్తే పెంచాలే ఇటు కొరవాలంటే చంద్రం ఇంకా లోతే తవ్వాలే
Oh, I like this.
Pushpa, 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 Raj.
I love this step.
Pushpa, 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 Raj.
Guys,
Pushpa, 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 Pushpa,
he throws his chappal or shoes.
Pushpa, 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 Raj.
Swag. Singer Nakash Aziz and Deepak Dhruv. Okay. This is a nice addition. Okay. Musical arrangement is very interesting.
చిన్న పుష్పకి పాపం కొన్ని రావంట వాడికి రాదు ఓటమి రాదు వెనకడుగు ఆగడము అసలు రాలే రాదు అన్ని ఉన్న పుష్పకి పాపం కొన్ని లేవంట భయమే లేదు బెంగే లేదు బెదురు ఎదురు తిరిగే లేదు తగ్గేదే లేదు
దండ పెడితే దేవుడికి అసలు నామ కొడితే గురువులకే కాళ్ళు మొక్కితే అమ్మకే రా తల దించినావా బానిసవి ఎత్తినావా బాదిషావి తలపగనే నీ కిరీటమైతే భూతలమంతా నీదేరా
పుష్ప 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 రాజ్
లైన్ లో ఉంటారా
పుష్ప రాజ్
ఆకేపా
Oh, I really like the arrangement of the song, guys. I also need to tell Venki that he did an amazing job with the lyric video.
కాలు మీద కాలేసి కూసున్నాడంటే ఆడు చేతిలోన సీఏసి మాటిచ్చాడంటే
వాడు నీకు గొప్పేం కాదు వీడు నీకు ఎక్కువ కాదు నీకు నువ్వే బాసులా ఉండు ఎవడో విలువ ఇచ్చేదేంటి ఎవడో నిన్ను గుర్తించేదేంటి ఒంటి నిందా దిమ్మిరి ఉంటే నీ పేరే నీ బ్రడు
పుష్ప 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 పుష్ప
Look at how his attire has changed.
అస్సలు
Oh, now both.
తెలే.
I am 15th August. I loved the arrangement of the song. I loved the arrangement of the song. It was like musically, like even if there was no video for the song, even if there was no video, I think, oh my god, I would have loved the song nonetheless. Just both of them, and then the beat, both the singers, and then the beat arrangement was crazy. Absolutely crazy. I loved it. I absolutely loved it. In fact, I want to talk about the song, but while the song is playing, so I'm just going to play it again. I'm just going to play it again and then we'll talk about it. I'm just going to play it again.
Pushpa, 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 pushpa.
Just the
pushpa,
beginning.
pushpa.
Just the beginning. It just completely grabs your attention because this is the kind of song where the arrangement, you might feel that, oh, it's a nice dancing number, let's dance and let's enjoy, maze karte hain and all of that. But I'm just saying musically, just such a beautiful arrangement. And the way it starts, it completely grabs your attention. You're like,
Oh my god, what is that?
anywhere you play a song like this song and it starts with this deep voice, pushpa, 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 and you're like, what's going on? This is how like the song completely grabs your attention from the get-go. Just see that.
Pushpa, 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 pushpa.
And then the
pushpa, 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 pushpa.
so good. Excellent. Excellent. And then Pushpa Raj. So it kind of becomes like this cry for him. It sounds like a war cry in a way. In a way. It's like asserting the power of this person.
అట్టా సవరిస్తుంటే దేశం దద్దరిల్లే.
Now I'm not going into the meaning of the lyrics. I'll hear the Hindi version and then I'll understand how. I am pretty sure it's praising Pushpa and it's talking about how strong he is. This is my broad guess. But here I'm just talking about how the song has been arranged and sung. I love it.
భుజమే ఎత్తి నడిచొస్తుంటే భూమి
This.
బద్దలయ్యే.
Now I don't know which singer is this. It's his original voice or not, or if he has modulated, or if he has only modulated his voice like this, or if it has been modulated and engineered like digitally. But the choice of using this tonality was amazing. That was a really creative choice.
నిలవాలంటే
This.
ఆకాశం ఎత్తే పెంచాలే.
A lot of people can modulate the voice like this.
పోవాలంటే చంద్రం ఇంకా లోతే తవ్వాలే.
And contrasting it with, like, again, then the other singer comes in and just completely takes it to another level with a beautiful alap and music. Basically, it's the melody just completely changes here, so the song shifts totally in terms of melody. That is so cool.
కుప్ప పిట్టలాగా వానకు తడిసి బిక్కుమంటూ
Oh, just, you know what, this part, na 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 na, it kind of reminded me of the song from Highway. Mithe paan di galori na 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 lahori. Huh? It's a little similar.
రెక్కలు ముడిసి వణుకుతుంటే నీదే తప్పవదా పెద్ద గద్దలాగా మబ్బుల పైన హద్దు దాటి ఎగిరావంటే వర్షమైన తలనే వంచి కాళ్ళ కింద కురుసైనా
పుష్ప 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 పుష్ప.
Oh, love this arrangement. I love it.
Are you in love? I am in love. Are you in love? I'm in love too. I agree.
Love it. And then the hook step is such a swag.
పుష్పరాజ్. పుష్పరాజ్.
Pushpa Raj. I just think it just completely goes into this rock star mode, like before the first verse. If you break down the song musically, it's so beautiful. The guitar, so good, yaar. I love this guitar edition. Just the fusion of this. It's such a desi kind of a rhythm, and then you add this electric guitar on top of that. Beautiful. I love this arrangement. Cannot say it enough. Are you just listening to this? Need I say more? Need I say more? Guys, in this arrangement.
ఎన్నో వచ్చిన పుష్పకి పాపం కొన్ని రావంట వాడికే రాదు
Composition. Like 100 on 10 for this composition and music. I cannot stress this enough, guys.
అన్ని ఉన్న పుష్పకి పాపం కొన్ని లేవంట భయమే లేదు బెంగే లేదు బెదురు ఎదురు తిరిగే లేదు తగ్గేదే లేదు
దండ పెడితే దేవుడికి అసలు నామ కొడితే గురువులు
Wow.
మొక్కితే అమ్మకేరా
Wow.
బానిసవి ఎత్తినావా బాదుషావి తలపగనే నీ కిరీటమైతే భూతలమంతా నీదేరా
Pushpa Raj. How good is this song, guys? How good is this song? Now this. It kind of goes in that little tribalish kind of mode. Huh? The first one was electric guitar. Like, what is this, man? So good. And oh my goodness, this guitar riff is crazy. You know, I don't know if you remember that one song. It reminded me of that. Suno gaur se duniya walo buri nazar na ho. It started that. Oh. I swear the choreography is going to be crazy for this. Now this part also, like this is reminiscent of actually, because even with the visuals, if you see, this is quite reminiscent of the first one. Because it was in the forest. It gives you that primal jungle feel. This musical arrangement, right? And then even the sound, like it kind of takes you back in that era, right? I remember these kind of music used in sort of, I mean, when there is a chase sequence and on in the older films, you would have these kind of music. I'm specifically talking about Hindi film. It's so there's a lot of things are reminding me of a lot more other things, but it's just great how the song is arranged. And usually I don't do this. In very rarity of the songs where I feel that the arrangement is great, I rewind and I talk about the song while listening to the song the second time and I pause it. So that's how much I've loved this arrangement. See, now that beat is not there. Now the beat is so fast because that hype is already built now. It's so good. Just love this fast beat suddenly. This melody part is crazy. I love it. Really good. Just love how the tea is not falling. Oh, who is the guitarist? Amazing. Phenomenal. Love it. Love it. Okay. I need to listen to the Bengali version also because the song is come in Bengali. Okay. So that was the reaction and those were my thoughts. I've shared my thoughts on why I loved it so much in the second listen where I paused. You guys can let me know your thoughts. I love this kind of arrangement. It's really, really well done. Really, really well done. And even the first album, like the album of the first film. First part was quite good. It was a massive blockbuster, the entire album. So I'm actually looking forward to the album for the second one. And if this is like the first drop did not disappoint, at least did not disappoint me. So you guys can let me know your thoughts. And yeah, that was the reaction to Pushpa Raj, from Pushpa to The Rule. And yeah, those are my thoughts, and I'm gonna sign off now, and I will see you soon on my next video. Bye.